Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to start by going into settings and scrolling down. Now select security, click on screen lock section over here and select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to enter it, select next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and select confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and click done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click on home button, then turn off my screen and turn it back on, as you can see pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!